morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, April 27, 2020. I hope you had a nice, well-rested weekend. So to start off, you guys are probably wondering why I look so silly. And that's because I decided to dress up as a cat per Devin's request. I'm doing a new incentive starting this week where you guys can earn a special reward for all the hard work you've been doing and completing assignments and reaching out, asking questions. So Devin asked for me to dress up like a cat. So I did my cat ears, and I have my cheetah print scrunchies. I attempted to do cat ears, but it was kind of hard with just my hair. And I have my I'm a cat sweatshirt and even these cool leggings, these pants, my cheetah print pants. So I am feeling like a cat today. So thanks, Devin, for your request. I had a lot of fun getting dressed up. So enjoy. So a couple things I want to go over for today, something new for reading. So we're going to continue doing our read aloud of The Lightning Thief. And I hope you guys are enjoying the book. Make sure you catch up on chapters that you haven't gotten caught up on yet. But something new I want to add for Mondays and Wednesdays, I'm going to have you guys start filling out a reading log. So kind of like in class, how you had to write on that paper, like the title of the book, how many minutes you read, what page you started on, what page you ended on, just so that I can kind of keep track of how much you guys are reading at home. Because I know some of you use Epic, and I hope that more of you start using it, because that's a good way for me to check how much you're reading. But a reading log is really a nice visual, easy to submit in, so that I can see what you're reading. So only on Mondays and Wednesdays, because those are the days that I submit reading lessons. But you guys should still be reading 30 minutes a day, Monday through Friday, just like we were in school, to keep up with those reading levels. You guys want to be ready for 5th grade, so we need to make sure we're still reading every day. But the reading log will be Mondays and Wednesdays to submit those, okay? So that's just something new I wanted to mention. But otherwise, listen to the read aloud. Make sure you listen to Friday's read aloud before you listen to today's, so that you're staying caught up. So Friday was chapter 9, today is chapter 10, to listen to those and answer the questions. Word study today is the same that we've been doing. You'll have a new vocabulary word that you need to find the definition of, use that word in a sentence, and find a picture and tell me what part of speech it is. So that's it for that. Math today, we're doing something a little different, but we're continuing working on angles. And we're going to be learning what a complementary angle is, how to find them, how to find parts of it. So I'll show you guys that in the math lesson. And what else? We have writing. So for writing today, we're continuing to work on our essays. So right now we're just kind of still in the note-taking process. Last week you should have done some research on your topic that you chose. You should have taken some notes. I'm a little concerned by the fact that only a few people used the research notes document that I made. So I'm assuming the rest of you took notes paper pencil the old-fashioned way, and that's fine. But can you maybe let me know today in a private message or something? Let me know, yes, I am taking notes, yes, I'm researching, but I decided to do paper pencil, just so that I know that you're actually doing the research, because this is a really important step before you go to write your essay. You can't write an essay without research with this one, because it's all about what you learned by doing your research. So in the writing lesson today, I'm going to show you the notes that I took on my topic, which is the red-eyed tree frog. So I'm going to show an example of what your notes should look like, which is kind of a lot at this point because you had, all last week to do it. But if you didn't get your research done, get it done if you can this week, so that you're really ready to start progressing towards writing the essay. So get your research done, and today I'm showing you how you can organize your notes into subtopics, kind of like we did with our projects when we did our nonfiction posters, right? I did mine on meerkats. So I said, what are those different subtopics I want to learn about meerkats? I want to learn about what they eat. I want to learn about where they live. I want to learn about their predators and how they're prey or whatever. So pick your subtopics for your topic that helps you organize your notes. That's really what today's writing lesson is going to be all about. So I think that's pretty much it. We covered math, writing, word study, and reading. Also today I am doing a Zoom meeting at 2 o'clock, so if you could join us, that'd be great. I sent the information to your parents on Class Dojo to join. And today's going to be a little different. We're actually going to play a game. So when you come to the Zoom meeting, you need to bring 3 items with you. It could be anything, something random, something you have laying around at home. For example, it could be a stapler. It could be a stuffed animal. It could be a blanket. Literally anything you have laying around, just grab 3 random items, okay? And then we're going to play a little game, and I'll tell you guys more about that in the meeting. And the last thing I want to mention is this week I'm also going to be starting what I call an office hour. So on Thursday, so kind of finishing up the end of the week, at 1:30 on Thursday, I'm going to do an office hour. So that's where I'm going to hold a Zoom meeting, but unlike today's is more like social and fun. Thursday, I really like to keep it like academic mostly. So if you have questions about any of the work, if you have questions about, how I'm grading things, if you have questions about anything that you really need me for, that it's hard to communicate through like the private messaging, if that hasn't been, as successful and you really just need a face-to-face conversation with me, then Thursday, that hour would be good to just pop in whenever. I'll be on 1:30 to 2:30, and I'll be there if anybody needs me, has any questions about anything, okay? So that's pretty much it. I hope you have a really great day, and I will see hopefully most of you or maybe even all of you at 2 o'clock today for the Zoom meeting. So have a good day, work hard, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.